Welcome to a tutorial on creating a STAR-LRP application account. In order to begin a STAR loan repayment program application, navigate to programportal.hrsa.gov, where you will be taken to the BHW Portal landing homepage. From here, indicate that you would like to apply for the program by clicking the appropriate link under the applicant section. You will then be taken to a general sign-in page that you may use to access the application for the remainder of the cycle opening time. If you are an existing BHW Portal user, you may use your existing email and password credentials in order to log into the portal. Note that if it has been some time since you've last logged into your portal account, you may need to contact the Customer Care Center, whose information is listed on the bottom of the page, in order to reactivate your portal account prior to access. If you are an existing user and you have forgotten your password, you may also use the link under the sign up button to retrieve your password by answering your previously set security question. If you are not a registered BHW Portal user, you may sign up clicking the link seen here. You will be prompted to enter basic information, a portal email address where you will receive all of your applicant information and updates, and set a password. Upon clicking next, you will set up a security question, which will be used in order to unlock your account or in the case of a forgotten password. When your account has successfully been created, you will expect to receive an email to your desired portal email inbox within 10 minutes. This email contains a link to activate your portal account. If you do not receive a link, please ensure that you check your spam folder for a no-reply@hrsa.gov email address. And if you still have not found the activation link email, you may contact the Customer Care Center for more assistance. The email address will look something like this and will instruct you to click the link included in order to activate the portal account. When your new portal account has been successfully activated, you will receive the seen confirmation message on the screen. You may now click the sign in button in order to begin your STAR-LRP application. Upon successful login to the welcome page of the STAR-LRP application, you'll be able to see overview of information as well as general content and key dates.